everybody doing tonight? I want to hear everybody. How is everybody doing tonight? Thank you. Well, I will tell you, we definitely feel very good because our journey started very wrong this time, insanely wrong, and we had to drive very far because we had a week off during this tour. We went back, filmed some new music videos, a lot went absolutely amazing, and then we started our journey to Cracow. And guess what happened? Our car broke. Yeah, and it broke seriously. So, like, motor gone, dead. Rest in peace. So, it was either we canceled the first few shows to deal with it, or we fucking deal with it. And I want to say special thank you to this guy right here. He drove non-stop the entire time, found a new car, fucking made this happen. He made this happen. If it wasn't for him and everybody in Infected Rain together with our sound engineer, drummer, our crew guys, they were on top of it. We found a new car, we rented this fucking thing, and we are here. We slept on nothing. I'm very grateful to be in a band with people that are motivated, and I'm very happy and grateful to be here, and I hope everybody can enjoy the show even more now that you know that we were this close to cancel this show, unfortunately, just because shit happens on the road. So thank you again for being here and being so supportive. Thank you. All right, let's go! Yeah.